Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with StreetEasy for market insights, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type StreetEasy and press enter. Click on the official StreetEasy link from the search results. Once on the StreetEasy homepage, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. After entering the required information, click the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email for a message from StreetEasy. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This will take you back to the StreetEasy website, confirming your email address. Now, log into your new StreetEasy account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Here, you can personalize your account by adding your name and preferences. Explore the various market insights available on the StreetEasy platform. You can set alerts for new listings, price changes, or market trends based on your preferences. Utilize the search filters to find specific insights relevant to your needs. Keep an eye on the StreetEasy blog for up-to-date articles on market analysis. Engage with the community by participating in discussions or forums. Regularly check your account for personalized insights and updates. If you have questions, consider visiting the help section for FAQs. Now you're equipped to leverage StreetEasy for essential market insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.